Let's take a look at exponents in our graphing calculator. So the first one we're going to take a look at is 12 squared. How do you put a second power in your calculator? Well, let's type 12. And the squared key is actually diagonal to your 7. So all you need to do is press the x squared key, diagonal to the 7, and it puts the power of 2. Hit enter and you have your answer of 144. So what about if you have a power higher than 2, such as 3, 4, 5, 6? Well, what we can do is 12 and the caret key. The caret key we use for an exponent. So it's above your division key. So you have to hit caret key and then the 3. So whatever the exponent is beyond a 2, you can use the caret key and then type in the exponent. So we have 12 to the third, which is 12 times 12 times 12, gives us 1,728. Okay, not 36. You're not taking 12 times 3. You're taking 12 to the third power. Okay, so why are parentheses important with negative numbers? Well, I'm going to show you here what the deal is with parentheses. Oftentimes, we type things into a calculator, and if it gives us the wrong answer, we get mad. How can the calculator possibly be wrong? Well, our calculators only do what we tell them to do. So if you are taking negative 12 to the second power, you have to put parentheses around it. If you do not, your calculator is going to read it in this way, negative 12 squared. And what it will do is it will square the 12 first and then attach that negative sign. So let's take a look. Negative 12, and we'll square it, diagonal to the 7. Hit enter, and you get negative 144. Now that's fine if that's what the problem is. If we only want to square the 12, then that would be the correct answer. But if we actually want to square negative 12, or take negative 12 to a power, it means negative 12 times negative 12. And we know that when we multiply two negatives, we should always get a positive result. So negative 12 squared, I need to place in parentheses so that negative 12 is being squared and not just 12. So let's square it. Square key diagonal to your 7. Hit enter, and we get the correct answer of 144. Now sometimes you will run across problems that look like this, where they only want the number squared, the positive number squared. But usually we are doing a problem like this, where we're squaring a positive or a negative number. And if we're squaring a negative number or taking it to a power, it needs to have parentheses around it. Okay, needs to have parentheses around it. All right, have a great day.